Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to redeem Indigo Gift Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. You can use the Indigo Gift Card or e-gift card online or in-store purchases at any of the Indigo chapters and calls locations. Once you open up a web browser, type in www.chapters.indigo.ca in order to redeem your gift card online. Press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page of Indigo. Make sure that you're logged into your Indigo account, and once you are, you can redeem your gift card by entering the gift card number and the PIN code while checking out with your product online. Add a couple of products in your shopping bag and move to the checkout page. Fill in the rest of the information that will be asked to you along the way and proceed to check out. Once you are in the checkout page, you need to fill in your shipping address and other information. After you are done, click continue, and under payment and rewards, you can see the gift card option. Give it a click and enter your gift card number available at the back of your gift card and type in your PIN code available on your gift card as well, and then finally click on the apply button in order to redeem your gift card with the purchase. That is how you can easily redeem your Indigo gift card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.